Okay guys, this is a quick review about the Pittsburgh Bead Breaker, and I don't know how it's gonna work or something like that, but let's open it and see and then put it to work. Okay, the box is open. Okay, here are the pieces laid out. That's 6 pieces plus instruction and bolts. I'll tell you what, let's put it together in a time lapse. Now let's see if they actually do the job. See on the four-wheeler tire on the 13 inches, it's a little bit too high, so you can have to tilt it over for in order for it to fit on there. So this will not work on the four-wheeler tire, since this is too wide and too narrow, and a normal tire has to be kind of out right here, so it will fit perfect. But this is too small and has to be screwed up right here, and then when you screw it out more, it will just slide up into when you put pressure on it. Well, actually worked this time. I got it done, and let's see if I can take it out. And if you want to change the whole tire, then that'll be a different story. Sorry about those airplanes making a loud noise. So like I said, sorry about those airplanes distracting me. Alright, like I said, that's the only purpose for this piece of part over here, and as it says bead breaker, that's kind of breaks it open and loose the wheel from the rim. If you want to change the whole tire off from the rim, put a new one on there, you're gonna have to add a tool. The other one may work, but I don't know yet. So I hope you like this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up and share, and again, don't forget to activate the bell button, the icon. That way you will not put another video up here, and you will get notified by YouTube. Well, that's it for now, and hope you like this video, and bye for now.